Ano nung lili, putang ina.
God is good, God is great.
Oh! Miguel O'Hara. First skill only challenge. Who's dumb enough to do this? Ako. Sinong hero natin? Putang inang yan. We don't have time. Xavier. Cecilion. Xavier. This is the worst first skill only challenge you'll ever see.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Yeah, we'll lose. This is, I'm like Gojo Satoru, but like the part where Toji killed him. Yeah, yan lang. Puro ganyan lang ako magdamag. Bala ka dyan, tanga ka eh. Ano pang role ko dito? Oy! Ayaw! I'm 66% of my fucking hero I'm not even allowed to use. Yeah, I'm dead. This is it. Puro katak the turtle. Wala ka dyan, tangina mo. What if mag-attack speed ako, no? Mag-attack speed ako, putang ina eh. Didikit pa sa akin, no? I'm dead. I can't do anything. Mag-attack speed na lang ako. Not joking, mag-attack speed talaga ako. Putang ina ako eh. Pero pag-ult dun, ganun, no? Hollow Purple. Kaso ako si Gojo ano eh. Ako si Gojo na hindi pa nakakahawak ng Hollow Purple sa buong life niya. Uy, ito na ba ang first? Kita mo yung attack speed ko, putang inang attack speed yan. Kita mo yun, putang inang buhay yan eh. Uy, putang ina nyo! Kamot uwi. Walang ult yun, puta palag. Ayan din, may ult pa yan eh. Patay, tanga. Imagine if we win this. Ay na, kaya pa na mag-lord. Huwag niyo akong asahan dyan, baka sabihin niyo pa yung mage masama-sama sa lord. Puta ano, gawin ko dyan. Wait natin to ma-build. Para attack speed lang. Malakas tama ako eh. Have you heard of the Chang'e attack speed, di ba? Let me introduce you. Xavier attack speed only. Understood. Uy, 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 uy. Sheesh! Win talking. Tangina. Yung attack speed ko, kita mo yung attack speed ko. Putang ina nun. Pamatay ka! No! Kay TP ka pa, hayop ka. Oh! Entry number 3! What the fuck was that? If we even win this, I don't know what the fuck. Ayun na. Walang energy, putang ina eh. Ah! Oh, since I'm dead, I want to show you guys this. Turn off the lights. I am Iron Man. Sheesh. Let's turn on the lights. We have a fucking game to play.
Electrify!
Oh, boy! Let's go.
Victory!
We won. Okay.